एक से ज्यादा मतलब. Okay, so in this way, that formula, that is Ekadhikane Purvent formula, is used to multiply two numbers whose left hand side digits are same and right hand side digit sum is 10, right? So it's very simple how to solve this particular problem. Just see the left hand side digit, add 1 and multiply both, so that you will get the left hand side digit, right? And in the right hand side digit, what we can do, just multiply the right hand side digits, you will get the right hand side answer. Okay, and whenever you are multiplying two numbers in the right hand side like 9 and 1, so answer comes 9. So instead of writing 9, what you should write, 09, right? This I have told you yesterday. Okay, so let's think, let us start the next thing. So I'm sharing my screen. Yes, no problem, Karthik. I am going to teach a new thing, so you will learn it. Okay, not a problem. Okay, so let me share my screen. Is it visible? Yes. Someone please show the show the thumbs up. Yes, thumbs up please. Yes, Sachi, thank you. Okay, so today is the fourth day, and now we are learning a new formula for multiplication. Again, multiplication we will be learning, and formula is Vedic formula number 3, which we are going to learn. And if you are having any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, we will go further. So I will take a test from you just now, just 5 minute quick test, whether you are able to understand or not. Write the answer in the chat box. Okay, fast you have to write the answer in the chat box. No need to go to the notebook. Just do calculation mentally and write the answer in the chat box. Let's see how many of you can solve, because we have practiced all the types of problems which uses Ekadhikane Purven, and second formula is our Nikhilam Sutra. So all the problems based on Nikhilam Sutra and Ekadhikane Purven you have already practiced. So let's see whether you can do and whether you are able to identify that a particular formula is to be used. You should identify, right? Okay, so let's see. Let's see how many of you can solve it fast. Yes, 25674. Please see carefully. Okay, please see each and every numerical or sum carefully. Okay, so 25674 into 49. Which formula you will be using here? Can anyone tell? Can anyone write? Whatever. If you can tell, you can tell.
Ekadhikane
Distributive
Purvi.
property.
No, not
Distributive.
Ekadhike and Purvent. Which formula will be used?
Distributive.
Yes.
Nikhilam Sutra.
Is it possible to solve this problem using Nikhilam Sutra? Be careful. Check the
Yes,
problem
ma'am.
Ma'am,
again.
ma'am, it
No.
cannot be. Ma'am, it
Yes.
cannot be solved.
Very good. Using Nikhilam Sutra, it cannot be solved. Why? Because 99 series is having 4 digits and 25674 is having 5 digits. So whenever this number of digits are more than 99 series digits, you cannot use Nikhilam Sutra, right? Very good. Very good. So it is not possible using Nikhilam Sutra. You will require another formula to solve such case. Okay. Good. Very good. Let's do this. 64908 multiplied by 5 nines, right? 99,999, right? So write the answer in the chat box. It is possible using Nikhilam Sutra, right? Because both are having same number of digits, five digits. So write the answer in the chat box. Write the answer in the chat box for the next problem. 64907. Yes, Ansh. Yes, Aditya. Very good. 35092. Great, great. Very nice. Yes, Pavani. Yes, Karthik. Yes, Karthik, Nikhilam Sutra will be used for solving the problem number 2. Okay, very good. Let's go further. Let's go further. Let's go further. The next problem is, okay, so this is the answer. All of you have written correctly. Now next, 49 into 41. Which formula you will be using? Which formula you will be using here? Can anyone tell me?
Ekadhikane Purven.
Yes, why Ekadhik and Purvent? Because left hand side digits are equal and sum of right hand side digit is 10. 9 plus 1, 10. Yes, please. What will be the answer? Write the answer in the chat box. Be careful in writing the answer. Don't be in hurry. Okay, I want to get the answer correct. Okay, let me see. Very good. 4 5s are 20, 9 1s are 9, and 9 is written as 09. Great, very good, very good. Let's go further. Nice, nice. Means all of you have understood very well. Good. Now we go for the next problem. 87 into 83. Which formula you will be using? And write the answer in the chat box. 87 into 83. Which formula? Yes, please. Anyone can tell? कोई भी बोलिए जल्दी.
एकाधिकेन पूर्वे.
Yes. And what is the answer? 8 9 ja 72. 3 7 ja 21. Very good. 7 2 2 1. That's great. Great. Very nice. Loved it. Next problem. Next problem is uh, 42875 into 99999. 5 nines are there. Be careful in writing the answer. 42875 multiply by 5 nines, right? Which formula you will be using? Nikhilam Sutra, na? And the full form of Nikhilam Sutra formula is Nikhilam Dashashtaras. आपको याद है ये formula याद हुआ कि नहीं हुआ अभी? कोई बात नहीं. If you are not able to recall, just remember Nikhilam Sutra. So what is the answer? 42874. है ना? You can write the answer in mind only, right? You can think 42874. Very nice. 57125. Great. Very good. Very good. Yes, please. Yes.
So for the 87 times 83, wouldn't it be 8 plus 1 is 9 times 10 is 90, and then 7 times 3 is 21?
Yes, yes. So 8 9
But
ja
then why is
72.
it 72?
हाँ तो 8 9 ja 72 ना. 8 plus 1 is 9, right? And 8
Yeah.
and 9. So 8 9 ja 72. 8 and 9, 8 times 9 will be 72, right? That's
Oh,
why
is that
72.
it? Okay.
You have
thank
made a
you.
mistake. 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 and 9 times 8. See, in India, we always speak like this. 8 9 just 72. You speak 8 multiply by 9, right? It's the same thing. So 8 into 9 is 72. And 7 3s are 21. So it becomes 21. So 7 2 2 1. Okay, got it? Very good. Chali, let's go further. What is the answer? All of you have written correctly. So let me show the answer. 42875 Okay. So all of you have got it correctly. Let's go further. 96 into 94. Which formula you will be using? See, I am changing the type of the formula so that you will be able to recall. है ना? कि which formula is to be used where? 96 into 94. 9 10 ja 90. 6 4 ja 24. Right? So simple. Within seconds, we can answer 9025. That's great. That's great. Good. So this is the answer.
What is the name of solving this problem?
96 into 94? Ekadhikein
Yes.
Purven. Ekadhikein Purven. Okay. Formula is Ekadhikein Purven. Now next problem. Next problem is 999 multiplied by 250. 999 multiplied by 250. Here carry will be generated. So be careful. Okay. Because last digit is 0. So whenever you subtract from 10 to 10 minus 0 will be 10. So 1 will be carry forwarded, right? Right? The 0 tells to 1, don't stay with me. So 1 says, okay, I will go with next number, right? This is story you know very well now. Okay, so you can always remember this thing by a story, especially Corona times story, because we are learning this Vedic maths in Corona times, right? So you can always remember. Okay, so kitna answer aaya? Let me check. What is your answer? 250 is 249. Oh, you have made a mistake. I think अभी सबने गलत किया है, सबने गलत किया है. Yes, Vivan is correct. Vivan Menon is right. Right. 760. Misha is also right. Okay. Understood? So why 750? पहले आपने क्यों गलत किया था? Vivan Bed, you are wrong. Arhan Jain, you are also wrong. Please be careful that carry will be generated. So that carry is to be added with the previous digit. Okay? Okay. Let's go further. Let's go further. Yogya. See, 249, 7410, right? This one, 10 is what? 10 minus 0 is 10. And this one will be added with 4. So it will become 10, 249750. Oh, it was 4. Sorry. Yes, this is the correct answer. 249750. I'm sorry. This is correct answer. Okay,
I have a
I thought it
question.
is 4. Yeah, this is correct. 249750. All who have got this answer is correct. Yes, any question? Yes.
So would you, on the second part, when you're subtracting the Nikolam Sutra, would you subtract it from 249 or 250?
Actually, this is the thing, no? See, when we multiply any number by 999 series, the answer is having two parts, left hand
Yeah.
side part and right hand side part. Left hand side part is obtained by subtracting 1 from 250. You have to forget this 999 series. You need not to worry what this number is. Just subtract 1. So 250 minus 1 will be 249. Then apply
Mm.
Nicolam Sutra on that 250 to get the right hand side answer. So 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 5 is 4. 10 minus 0 is 10. And 4 and 1 are added together. So answer will be 249750. This is correct answer.
But do we do it on 249 or do we do it on 250 or when we subtract by the Nikalam Sutra?
So for example, yes. So left hand side part is always obtained by subtracting 1 and right hand side part is obtained by applying Nicolam Sutra on second number on this number. Okay?
Okay.
Got the point?
Thank you.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay? Okay, fine. Okay, next. So yesterday I think you have not attended the lecture, huh? Okay, let's go.
I
Now
did.
4, 5, 6, 7 into 11. 4, 5, 6, 7 into 11. Can you apply Ekadike and Purven here? Yes or no?
No.
No. Can you apply Nicolam Sutra here?
No.
No, ma'am.
Oh my God. Then how to solve? You know only Nicolam Sutra. You know only Ekadike and Purven. Now whenever problem is like this, 4, 5, 6, 7 multiply by 11. How will you solve? So let's go with next formula. Okay. I hope things are clear now. Let's go further. So not learned, right? Teacher has not taught you. Now today we will learn the next thing, that is how to multiply any number by 11, 12, 13, 14 up to 19, right? Suppose any number is there and if you want to multiply any number by 11 to 19, we will be using another formula and formula is called as Yog method. What is the formula? Yog. What is the meaning of Yog? Yog, the meaning of Yog is addition. Just you have to add the numbers and you will get the final answer. It's so easy. I assume that you know the addition very well. And if a carry is generated, that carry will be forwarded to the next digit. This rule will be applied. Okay, we will see by example so that things will be clear to you. So what we are going to learn now, whenever we are having any number and we have to multiply by 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 up to 19, then which formula we will be using? Yog method. Okay, so let's start the case number 1, that is multiplication by 11. What is the meaning of योग? योग को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? जोड़. और इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं एडिशन. और योग addition. Yes, so just I assume that all of you know addition. Okay, so very simple. So now our problem is, now listen carefully. It's very simple. It's very simple. Just listen carefully and then whatever problem I am giving you, just note it down so that later on you can refer it. Okay. So very simple. 2314. This is your number and this number is to be multiplied by 11. Okay. So forget 11. 11 को भूल जाए. आपको 11 की table आती है तो you can do. 11 4s are 44. Carry 4. 11 1s are 11 plus 4. Then 11 3s are 33 plus 1, like that, right? You know traditional method. I'm not teaching you traditional method. I am teaching you Vedic maths formula. How you can do this multiplication in faster way, right? So very simple. बहुत ध्यान से सुनिएगा. So forget 11. This is our traditional concept. In Vedic maths, whenever something is common, we always forget it. So forget 11. Just like in multiplication by 99 series, we were forgetting 99 number. Just we were seeing, we were observing, we were looking only other number. So here also we will look only this number, that is 2314. Okay. Now next process, put small zeros on both sides. छोटा सा zero side में just for reference you have to put small zeros on both side of the number. What is my number? 2314. So just put small zero on this side, small zero on both, just for understanding purpose. Okay, बाद में later on when you are having the practice, you need not to put it also. Okay, so it's very thing what I have done. I have put small zeros on both sides of the number. Okay, let's go further. ये अपन ने कर दिया. So जो a small zero is kept here, a small zero is kept here. Okay, now it's very simple. Now listen very carefully. Here we are applying Yog method, Yog formula. What is the meaning? Addition. Yog means addition. तो क्या करेंगे हम? Listen what I have done. We start from left hand side digit. 0 plus 2. What is the first digit? What is first? 0. Next digit is what? 2. 0 plus 2, 2. So you write 2. Now next is it this. Now you take 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 1, 4. 1 plus 4, 5. And 4 plus 0, 4. And this is the answer. So simple. What I am doing, I am adding each digit with the next digit. Next forwarding digit, not in the backward direction. Okay. I am adding the digit with the next digit in the right direction. Okay. So 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 1, 4. 1 plus 4, 5. 4 plus 0, 4. This is the final answer. So simple. Just within 5 seconds, you can write the answer if you know the method. So simple. It's simple addition. And I assume that you know the addition very easy. You know, you can do the addition very fast, right? Right? Okay. So what we are doing? Add each successive digit to the adjacent neighbor on its right hand side. Right hand side may whatever number is there, we are adding that number with the next digit. So start get 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 1, 4. 1 plus 4, 5. And 4 plus 0, 4. So this is your final answer. Hope the things are clear. We will solve the same problem with one more example so that things will be clear to you. It's simple. So simple addition. And okay. Yes, anybody is having any problem? Anybody is having any problem? Two participants
No.
raised hand. No problem, right? Okay, let me see the chat. Okay, 4 5. Ye kya likha 4 5 4 5 2? Who has written? This is wrong. Who has written? Why Prasham Shah? Why all the things you have written here, beta? Okay, chali, let's go further. So I hope this is clear. 2 3 1 4 multiply by 11, and just we are adding each number with the next digit, and whatever
Ma'am?
answer is coming. Huh?
Doesn't
Huh?
does it when you use this formula, does the
You do
does
one
it
thing.
have
You
to be like 11 or 101 or like that? Does it have? Is it like
beta.
the
Today I am teaching you only the multiplication of any number by 11. If you have to multiply by 111, 41, there are other methods. There are n number of methods. Right now I am teaching you the multiplication of any number by just 11. So if you know the 11 table, you can write directly. You can just multiply. If you don't know the table, then they use this formula. Just put small zeros on both the sides of the number and add each number with the next digit. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 1, 4. 1 plus 4, 5. 4 plus 0, 4. So you should know addition, and that's why this formula is called as Yog method. Okay, let's go further. You please sit with your mom or your father. You just sit with your parents. So whatever difficulty is there, you can ask through him or her. Okay, okay. हाँ बोलिए.
0, 2, 3, 1, 4, 0. 0 plus 1, 0 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 4, 1, 4.
ma'am?
Yes, बोलिए.
If
Yes.
carry is generated,
Wait, just I'm going for that problem. एक carry का problem लेंगे. I will explain you. Don't worry. Right now, just understand this concept. What I'm doing, I'm adding each digit with the next digit. Each digit is to be added with the next digit, and answer is written. If a carry is generated, how we will do? The same method which we had done previously. I will explain you by example. Don't worry. Understand the process. We will see all types of problem. I'm covering all types of problems. Okay. So let's do one more problem. 4518 multiply by 11. Now all of you do in your notebook, or you can do mentally also. It's up to you. So forget 11. Okay. Put small zeros on both sides just for reference purpose. Okay. So 0 and 0 you can write on both side of the number. Now 0 plus 4, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 5 plus 1, 6. 1 plus 8, 9. 8 plus 0, 8. Simple. No need to do anything. Just whatever I am speaking, just see, you can do mentally. 0 plus 4, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 5 plus 1, 6. 1 plus 8, 9. Or last ka 8 plus 0, 8. So that is your answer. Okay, clear? So this what we have done. Put zeros and that's all. See, this is the answer. 49698. Let me see. People have done. Oh, someone has. Okay. कोई बात नहीं Misha, no problem. Okay, 49698. So simple. Within 5 seconds, you can write the answer. Okay. Now, if a carry is generated, we will see how it is solved. Okay. It's the same process which we have done previously. Same process will be done. Don't worry about that. I will give you one example for that also. Okay. Chali. So I hope this thing is clear. Now, next problem. Okay, but I am taking now big problem. 3, 4, 2, 1, 5, 2, 3 multiply by 11. So 0 plus 3, 3. देखो what I have written? 0 plus 3, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 4 plus 2, 6. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 5, 6. 5 plus 2, 7. 2 plus 3, 5. And last में 0. 3 plus 0, 3. So simple. है ना? If you do this multiplication by 11 table, it will take at least 1.5 minutes. But here you just can write within 10 seconds. If number is long, I mean number is big, you can write in 10 seconds. Otherwise, it just 4 digits are there or 3 digits are there. You can write within second, like 2 or 3 seconds, not more than that. It's up to you how fast you can do the addition. Accordingly, you will get the answer. Okay? Clear? I hope the point is clear. So now I am showing you in some other way, right? क्या किया मैंने आप समझ लीजिए जैसे मैंने 0 3 is added so 3 right. Next what I have done, next 3 and 4 are added so I am getting 7. Now 4 and 2 are added so I am getting 6. 2 and 1 are added so 3. Just by one more way to explain so that things will be clear to you. 1 and 5 are added so 6. 5 and 2 are added 7. 2 and 3 are added 5 and finally 3 and 0 are added 3. So this is the answer. Okay, so you can take the screenshot of this particular example so that you can refer it, so that you can refer it later on. Clear? Clear? Okay, अब now we will do one problem for carry. अब carry का करेंगे हम लोग, ठीक है? चलिए. Now this problem again. Now note down in your notebook. 348393 multiply by 11. So what is the process? Step 1 says that forget 11. भूल जाइए 11 को. What is the next step? Put zeros on both the sides. So आपने छोटे छोटे जीरो रख लिए. Now start adding the numbers. So 0 plus 3, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 4 plus 8, 12. Right? तो 12 means 1 carry is generated. वो 1 को कैसे लिखेंगे? Small. 1 को कैसे लिखेंगे? In the subscript form. 8 plus. हाँ बोलिए बोलिए बोलिए. Yes please.
you have made a mistake in the last question.
Huh, I have made a mistake. Okay, let me see what mistake I have done. What is the mistake, beta? Can you tell me what is the mistake? Where is the mistake? Tell me.
My brother checked in the calculator in my grandfather's mobile.
Check
but
it,
it's wrong.
check it, check it, check it. 3, 4, 2, 1, 5, 2, 3 multiply by. So you are testing your teacher, right? आप अपने teacher की test कर रहे हैं. बताइए what is the mistake? Tell me the mistake, बेटा. क्या मिस्टेक है? आपके ब्रदर ने क्या कैलकुलेशन, क्या कैलकुलेटर से आंसर निकाला? व्हाट इज द आंसर बेटा? कैन यू टेल मी द आंसर?
हाँ ठीक है.
ठीक है, वेरी गुड गुड. लेट्स गो फादर. ओके चलिए. 348393 multiply by 11. ओके सो पुट zeros on both the sides, right? ये आ गया. Now what do you now see what we have done? 0 plus 3, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 में 1 को आप क्या लिख दीजिए? थोड़ा छोटा लिख दीजिए because carry is generated. 8 plus 3, 11. Please don't disturb. Listen carefully what I am speaking. 8 plus 3, 11. So 1 is written because 1 is carry. It is more than 9, right? ना? So इसको छोटा लिख दीजिए. 3 plus 9, 12. 9 plus 3, 12. And 3 plus 0, 3. अब बस कुछ नहीं करना है. Now 3 को write as it is. 7 plus 1, 8. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 and 3. This will be your answer. Right? What we have done? These 7 and 1 are added together because 12 is there. So 2 says to 1, don't stay with me. Then 1 says, okay, don't worry, I will go with 7. So 7 and 1 are joined together. So it becomes 8. Yeah.
3, 2.
Huh?
3.
Excuse me, you please don't disturb. If you are writing, you...
3, 8, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. 3, 8, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Correct.
Suvarna ji, will you mute all the students? 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 Suvarna ji, will you mute all the stud Hello, Suvarna ji. Will you mute all the students?
I
Because,
got it.
because in between the noise is coming and they are disturbing actually. Okay. Yes, students, listen carefully. If you are having any doubt, you please raise hand or write in the chat box. Okay. Okay. So what we have done till now, very simple. We have just put zeros on both the sides and we have added each digit with the next digit. So that we have written like this. Now suppose a carry is generated. So you have to remember that this is Corona time. Each number wants to remain alone. So this number will be added with the next digit. 718, 2 plus 1, 3, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, and 2, 3 will be written as it is. Important point to be noted here is that whenever carry is generated, the number is should be written in small, matlab, small size or just write in the subscript form so that you can remember that these two numbers are to be added. Okay, that's the beauty of this particular formula. Otherwise, process is same. Okay, chaliye. Any doubt? No doubt? Write in the chat box. Any
Yes,
question?
I have
Okay.
doubt.
Yes, what is the doubt?
So when you're using the yogd method, and for example, when you do like when it's 4 plus 8, what do you do if it goes over 9?
4 plus 8 is 12, right? So this
Right.
12 is written here and this one is written in small size because this is more than 9. Kal aapko sikhaya, last day I have told you, this is Corona time. 2 says to 1, don't stay with me. So 1 will be added with 7. So 1 and 7 is 8, right? First day I have taught you, don't forget the things, whatever I am teaching you, okay? Okay?
I have a question.
हाँ बोलिए, yes, what is the question?
So when you're trying to write this down in your head, should you just add it while you're going?
When you, sorry, so when you,
When you add it like in your head, like Vedic math is mental math. So like
yes,
you add it as you're adding like what instead of writing it
no,
extra.
see, it depends upon practice. You have to do first on pen and paper. When it becomes practice, when you are actually doing the things in you are doing the things mentally. Some, for example, if you solve such 100 problems, you just do the practice. Later on, you will realize that you can do in mind also. Okay, don't worry. At at this time, you have to write this particular problem on pen and paper only, right? Because you are not having the practice because this carry is generated, this carry will be added with the next digit. But later on, when you solve such types of problems, at least 100 problems you have to solve. Once you are through, once you are having complete practice of this thing, yes, carry is generated, this is to be added in the next digit. Because just by observing the things, you have to understand, and that requires too much practice. It's not only by doing once or twice you can do in mind. Okay, so you have to do the practice at least 100 problems, solve 100 problems, and after that you will be sure, yes, I can do in mind also. Okay, because it's a big problem and so many carries are generated. If no carry is generated, it's simple, but carry is generated, so immediately it should come into your mind. Oh, 8 plus 4, 12. So 2 yahan go and 1 is to the, immediately you have to change the number, previous number from 7 to 8, right? When you are writing the final answer. So you have to do a lot. You have to do you have to do the practice a lot. Okay, 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 Siddhi,
Thank you. Yeah.
got the point now? Okay, good. Okay, so let's, okay, any other question?
Yes, if you, in the old method that we're doing right now, if you are writing the answer and you are adding it up and you find it's just 8 plus 2, it's 10. So then you would put a small one, and then after that, would you put the 0 or would you
Suvarna ji, can you tell me what he is telling? I'm not getting what he is telling. Aran, what you are telling? Your mom or your parents are there, Aran?
Okay, so just a quick thing, Arhan, you are correct. So you add and write down, but the left side you write it small so that you know that that is going to go to the previous number.
will be added with the previous thing. So which is correct? Okay. But
What he's asking, I'm not getting actually.
no, he's saying you have to write down and then add or what. That is what is it.
Yes, that I have explained you. Actually, he's breaking the words now, so I'm not getting what he wants to say.
Yeah.
Okay,
No, no.
okay, not a
Does
problem.
it
Not
answer,
a problem.
Arhan?
No,
Yeah, yeah.
I'm saying
Yeah.
that-
Tell again.
I'm
Yes,
saying
Aram, please repeat. Boliye.
when
Yes, please.
when you are adding and writing the answer, and it says something like 8 plus 2 or 7 plus 3 that equals 10, and when you write the number 10, you have to write the small one, and then do you have to write 0 or do you have to like borrow or something?
You have to write 0 and 10.
Yes, beta, you have to write 0. It is a method actually. You have to follow this method. Okay? Okay, Aran, are you getting? It's a method that you have to write 0 initially and 0 in the end, right? On both the sides of the number, you have to write 0, right? And then you have to add each number with the next digit. And if a carry is generated, whenever carry is generated, you have to write in the smaller in the subscript form, right? I have written here in the small black form, black color. I have mentioned it as a black color so that you can understand that this is carry. Otherwise, you can write like this. Let me explain you on the board. So
And
that
why is the last subscript form of the ones so it's
just a minute. Let me explain you on the board so that you will be able to understand. Let me share. See. Okay, is it visible? Is it visible? So let us understand the problem is like this. Okay, 3, 6, 7 multiply by 11. Okay, okay, listen carefully. Everyone listen carefully what I do. Just put 0 on both the sides. Okay, just this is for writing, not a it's not actually the number, huh? It's just you are writing for addition purpose. Okay, now how will you start? Listen carefully. 0 plus 3, 0 plus 3, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. 6 plus 7, 13. You write like this. Okay, 7 plus 0, 7. What I have done is clear. 0 plus 3, 3, 3 plus 6, 9, 6 plus 7, 13. And how I have written 13? 1 is written in subscript form like that. So that it will be clear to you that this is to be added with 9, right? And 7, right? Now 3, 9 plus 1, 10. So it will be written like this. And 3 and 7. So 3 plus 1, 4. 0 and 3, 7. So this is your final answer. Here you have added twice because 2 times carry is generated. 6 plus 7, 13 and 9 plus 1, 10. So again this 1 and 3 are added together. So answer becomes 4. Okay? Clear, Aram? Now it is clear what I have done. This one is written like this. Once again, I will show you one more problem so that again things will be clear to you. Right? For example, this is my problem. Right? Okay, multiply by 11. So put 0 on both the sides. I have written like this. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 9 plus 2, 11. So 11 means like this, right? 9 plus 2, 11, like this, right? 2 plus 0, 2. Right. Now remember, we have to add with the previous. So these two digits will be added together. So 1, 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 plus 1 is 2, then 1 and 2. This will be your answer. Initially, you have to write these questions or this method on the pen and paper. When you do practice later on, you can understand that yes, this carry will be generated. So I have to change the previous digit. This comes by practice only, not only by 2 or 3 examples you can do immediately. Okay. So clear.
Then
I hope that
one more question.
Yes, Boliye Vedant. Yes, Vedant. What is the question?
Can you do one more question of this formula? Because I didn't know at the end you have to combine everything together.
Combine isliye because this is a carry. This is a carry. Why don't you understand this thing? I have taught you this thing on the first day, right? I have taught you कि whenever carry is generated, it is always added with the previous digit. So here also the same thing we are doing. So you are multiplying by 11, forget 11, just see 1, 2, 5, 7. Put zeros on both the sides. This is a simple step. Now 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 2, 2, 3, 2 plus 5, 7. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 means it is more than 9. So you have to write like this, right? Now, afterwards, just add these two digit, previous digit के साथ. ये 2 1 को बोलता है 2 says to 1, don't stay with me. 1 बोलता है okay, I will go with the next number. इसका मतलब आपको फर्स्ट डे का प्रोसेस याद नहीं है. See, Vedic maths is a continuous learning process. It's not like that कि आज आपने सीखा कल भूल गए. It should not happen like this. So it will be 7 plus 1, 8 and 2. So it is 1, 3, 8, 2. Now clear, Vedant? 7 and 1 are added together. Why? Because 5 plus 7, 12. And this number is 9 is more than 12 is more than 9. So what I'm doing, I'm writing like this, and this one will be added with the next digit. So next is 7. So 7 plus 1 are added together. So I'm getting 8. And 1, 3 and 2 are written as it is. There is no change in that. Tick. Clear? Should I go further? Okay, so do one more problem. One.
Excuse me.
हाँ बोलिए.
I just noticed one thing.
What you have not understood?
So in the previous problem, so you did 1257 times 11, and you said the result was 1382. There's a missing 7 at the end. You forgot to do the 7 plus 0 thing for the last
7
two.
plus 0 will be 7. Yes, I missed it. 7 plus 0 in the end, it will be 7 plus 0. Yes. So just like this, so do this problem. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 8, 13. 8 plus 0, 8. Right? So this is the answer. Now since carry is generated, you have to add with the next digit. So 1, 3, 8, 3, 8. This is the answer. So simple. I hope now things are clear. Note down in your notebook. Just concentrate on the problem. Do yourself. And if any question is there, please let me know. I'm giving you 2 minutes time so as you can understand and you can write in your notebook also. Clear?
Clear now.
Okay. So now all of you have to answer. Now I'm asking you the question. Okay. So 2, 3, 4, 7 multiply by 11. Now write the answer in the chat box. How you will start? Put zeros on both the sides. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 4, 7. 4 plus 7, 11. Right? And 7 plus 0, 7. So what will be the answer? 2, 5, 8, 1, 7. What we have done? These two numbers are added together. 7 plus 1, 8. So it will be 2, 5, 8, 1 and 7. This is your final answer. Right? Okay. Students have written. Let me check. 2, 5, 8, 1, 7. Oh, good. Very nice. Very nice. Chali. So only 2 or 3 students are not understanding. Otherwise, I think all of you are understanding. 3, 4 students are having generally problem. Others are not. No problem. It's okay. Chaliye, do one more. 2, 4, 5, 6 multiply by 11. One more problem. 2, 4, 5, 6. Yes, Vedant. Now you have to answer. Write in the chat box. 2, 4, 5, 6. Put zeros on both the sides. Now do the 0 plus 2. Vedant, boliye. 0 plus 2.
0 plus 2, 2. 2
plus 4,
6. 4 plus 5, 9. 5 plus 6, 11.
11. So how will you write? Like this, right? 11 like this.
And then it will become 10.
It will come.
Then
What?
if you get 9 and 1 together, it will become 10.
Yes. If it is, see, whenever you are having number which is more than 9, you have to write like this. Okay? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. If it comes like that, then you have to write like this. And 6 plus 0, 6. So what will be the final answer? 2, 6. Now see, Siddhi, you were asking 9 plus 1, 10. 0 aa raha hai. Now you can understand there is a 1 carry. So instead of writing one more step, you can directly write that there is a 7, 0, 1 and 6, right? So this will be the final answer. 270. It comes by practice only. Okay, you can understand, oh, 9 plus 1, 0 and 6 plus 1, 7. So directly you can write 27016. Okay, I hope the things are clear.
Wait,
Okay, let me.
What exactly happens to 10 when 1
Where is
comes?
2 and 10? See, beta, where is 2 and 10?
I
Where is
mean
10?
1 and 9. 1 and 9.
Ha,
What happens?
yes, 1 and 9 is again added. 1 and again 9 are again added. So how much will be the answer?
10.
10. So 10. So how will you write? Again 10 will be written like this. Now this one will be added with the next digit. So 6 plus 1, 7. This I have
7.
written. 2 is as it is. 1 is as it is. So 0 as it is. Baki all other numbers are as it is.
Oh.
Okay, got it? Very good, very good. Let's do one more. I think today I will solve only 11, multiplication by 11. So that would be better. Okay, let's go one more problem. Okay, 3, 8, 1, 5. Multiply by 11. Okay, now, yes. Now who will answer this? Yes, Karthik, can you? Acha, chaliye. Okay, Vedant, you answer. 0 plus 3.
0 plus 3.
First you sit properly. How you are sitting? How you are studying? Huh? Okay, very good. Whenever we are studying, you should sit properly. So 0 plus 3, 3.
3.
Huh,
3
3 plus 8.
8. 12.
3 plus 8 is what?
11.
11. Yes, 11. Yes. So write
8
like this. Huh?
plus-
Write like this. 8 plus
8
1.
plus 1, 9.
9.
1 plus
5 plus 1. Boliye, what is the answer? 5 plus 1.
6.
Boliye, what is the 6? Right. And 5
And-
plus 0.
5 plus 0, 5.
बस अब क्या हुआ? This is the carry. So it will be added with what? It will be added with 3. So 3 plus 1, 4, 1, 9, 6, 5. So this is the final answer, right? Got the answer, Vedant? Correct? Very good. Hope everyone is clear now. So, okay, let me explain. Okay, 4, 2. Why 4, 2? People have made a mistake. Siddhi, wrong. It will be added with the next
fixed
digit.
it.
Huh?
I fixed
Ah,
it. It was by
Yes,
accident.
yes. Okay, okay, chaliye, not a problem. Okay, so let's go further. So is it okay? Should I go further? Should I go further? 12, should I teach you multiplication by 12? Okay, now let's do. Now, a small difference is there when you have to multiply by 12. And if I teach you 12, that can be followed for 13, 14, 15, 16 also. Now listen carefully. Sab log dhyan se suniyega. It is a yog method, but there is a small change. For example, you like you no leave jane dijiye. Okay, chhodiye. Now what I am doing, put zeros on both the side. Okay, put zeros on both the side. The process is same. Now instead of this, what I am doing, I am using only 2. Instead of multiplying by 12, now I will be multiplying by 2 in each digit, and whatever answer is coming, that is added with the next digit. Are you getting my point? Again, I'm repeating. In this case, whenever you are multiplying any number by 2, not 2, by 12. So instead of multiplying by 12, just we have to multiply by 2. And each digit is multiplied by 2 and added with the next digit. Okay, how it is done, let me show. 2 is multiplied by 0. So 2 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1, 1. Okay, now 1. 2 1 ja 2 plus 2, 4. 2 2 ja 4 plus 1, 5. 2 1 ja 2 plus 0, 2. This is the answer. What I have done? Now in case of 12, I am multiplying each digit by 2 and adding with the next digit. Means addition will be always there. Only difference is that each digit is multiplied by 2 now, right? So 2 zeros are 0 plus 1, 1. 2 1 ja 1. Please mute. 2 1 ja 2 plus 2, 4. 2 2 ja 4 plus 1, 5. 2 1 ja 2 plus 0, 2. So simple. है ना easy? Just each digit is multiplied by 2 and then added with the next digit. Previously what we were doing, directly we were adding because it was 1. So 1 में किसी भी, when we multiply any number by 1, it becomes the same, right? It remains same. So in case of 12, I am multiplying each digit by 2 and adding with the next digit. Let's do one more problem so that things will be clear to you. 1 5 1 1 5 1 2, right? Multiply by 12. So forget 12, remember 2 only. Remember 2 only. Put zeros on both the sides. Okay. Now start from the left hand side. Multiply each digit by 2. So 2 zeros are 0 plus 1 1. 2 ones are 2 plus 5 7. 2 fives are 10 plus 1 11. 2 ones are 2 plus 2 4. 2 twos are 4 plus 0 4. But remaining process same. 7 and 1 will be added together because carry is generated. So answer will be 18144. So simple. Is that
Yeah.
clear? Now you can write in your notebook.
I don't clearly understand. You have to plus
Multiply each digit. You have to multiply each digit by 2 because my multiplication is by 12. So, and then add with the next digit. Then add with the next digit.
Can you do the same problem again? I don't
Ah,
understand.
yeah. Okay, okay. Chaliye, one more problem. Again, I am just explaining you. 1 5 1 2 multiply by 12. Now listen carefully. First, listen carefully. What I have to do is instead of multiplying by 12, what I am doing, I am just remembering 2. Just remembering 2. Okay. Now put zeros on both the sides. Start from the left hand side digit. 2 multiplied by 0 will be 0. And added with the next digit will be 1. So 2 zeros are 0 plus 1, 1. Now 2 is multiplied by 1. So 2 ones are 2 plus 5, 7. Addition process will remain same as we were doing in multiplication by 11. Only difference is that each digit is multiplied by 2. So 2 fives are 10 plus 1, 11. 2 into 1, 2 ones are 2 plus 2, 4. 2 twos are 4 plus 0, 4. Right? Now 7 and 1, 8 are added together. So answer will become 18144. Right? So this is your final answer. Hope the things are clear. Siddhi, is it clear? Karthik, is it clear? Ravani, is it clear? Oh, Pavani, sorry. Pavani, is it clear? Huh?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, let's go further. Next problem. So now you do this problem and tell me the answer. 2 3 1 2 multiply by 12. Put zeros on both the side. Start from the left. 2 into 0, 0 plus 2, 2. 2 twos are 4 plus 3, 7. 2 threes are 6 plus 1, 7. 2 ones are 2 plus 2, 4. 2 twos are 4 plus 0, 4. Sorry, 4 plus 0, 4. So this is your answer. So fast you can do. Yes, so as I told you, you should know the tables up to Meshika is saying I didn't understand the 12 yoke method. Why, beta? It's so simple. See, listen, I'm again repeating. Each digit is to be multiplied by 2 and added with the next digit. Whatever addition we were doing in the previous method, the same process is to be done. So 2 multiplied by 0 will be 0 and added with 2. So 0 plus 2, 2. 2 is multiplied by 2 to 2 twos are 4 plus 3, 7. Now 2 is multiplied by 3. So 2 threes are 6 plus 1, 7. Next is it 2 ones are 2 plus 2, 4. Then 2 twos are 4 plus 0, 4. So simple. It's easy. It's very easy. Why you are not understanding? I'm not getting. It's a simple method. Nothing can be. Okay. 1, 5, 2, 3, 1. For example, multiply by 12. So put zeros on both the sides. 2 zeros are 0 plus 1, 1. 2 ones are 2 plus 5. ये आपने इससे multiply किया. Multiply by 2 in this digit. 2 ones are 2 plus 5, 7. 2 fives are 10 plus 2, 12. 12 यानी carry is generated. So write like this. 2 twos are 4 plus 3, 7. 2 threes are 6 plus 1, 7. 2 ones are 2 plus 0, 2. That's all. Now carry is added. So 1, 8, 2, 7, 7, 2. This is so simple. Okay, clear? So write, note in your notebook, note down. And if any problem is there, you can ask. Do yourself. Now suppose if it is multiplication by 13, so nothing to worry. Just multiply each digit by 3 and add with the next digit. Got the point? If it is multiplied by 14, multiply each digit by 4 and add with the next digit. That's why I always tell you that you should know the tables up to 9. If you know the tables up to 9 means you can multiply up to 19 so easily. Okay? So just multiply each digit by this number and add with the next digit. That is a simple process. And if a carry is generated, you have to add that carry with the next digit. This is simple process. Carry example I have told you in the very first lecture. At that time, I have told you that this is to be added with the next digit. And this is the process which will be required every time in Vedic maths, all 16 formulas. Whenever carry is generated, it is always added with the next previous digit, like that is digit mein. Okay, so that's the simplest thing. Yeah, these two are added together. Okay, can you give, can any doubt, any question? Vedant, is that clear? Vedant, clear? Okay, chaliye, so do one more problem. 2 2 2 multiply by 13. Suppose 13, so what you will do now, you will multiply each digit by 3, right? Because it is 13. 3 zeros are 0 plus 2, 2. 3 2 ja 6 plus 2, 8. 3 2 ja 6 plus 2, 8. 3 2 ja 6 plus 2, 8. 3 2 ja 6 plus 0, 6. This is the answer. So simple. Understood what I have done? Each digit is multiplied by 3 and added with the next digit. So simple.
You're saying that with the T, so you multiply the 3 with the 2, and then
So
you
it
know,
comes 6. It comes 6. And that answer is added with the next digit. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2, 8. Now this digit is multiplied. 3 2 ja 6 plus 2, 8. 3 2 ja 6 plus 2, 8. 3 2 ja 6 plus 0, 6. In the last it will be 6 because there is no number. It is 0. So 3 2 ja 6 plus 0, 6. Simple.
now I get it. Okay.
Okay, very good, beta. Now, do one more problem. 3, 1, 2, 2 multiply by 13. Again, do 13 multiplication. Right? So, कैसे करेंगे? 3 zeros are 0 plus 3, 3. 3 3s are 9 plus 1. All of you can write the answer in the chat box. 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10. 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 5. 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8. 3 2s are 6 plus 0, 6. So simple. These two are added together. So answer will be 40586. Right? So this is my final answer. Easy. Now instead of this, if there is a 14, so what you will do now? Each digit will be multiplied by 3. No, it will be multiplied by 4 and added with the next digit. If it is 15, then each digit will be multiplied by 5 and added with the next digit. This process is continued up to 19. The same process can be followed up to 19 multiplication. Okay? Clear? I hope the process is clear. I hope the concept, what is the concept? That concept is clear to you. Good, good. So last problem to everyone. Do the problem. 3, 5, 4, 2, 1 multiply by 13 and tell me the answer. Now I will not tell the answer. You have to tell me the answer. And write the answer in the chat box. Put zeros on both the sides. Multiply each digit by 3 and add with the next digit. That's all. This is the simplest process. अब आप जैसे मैं करती हूँ ना, आप भी ऐसे कीजिए. 3 zeros are 0 plus 3, 3. 3 3s are 9 plus 5, 14. तो ऐसे लिख दीजिए 14, right? Continue the process. करते जाइए. Next digit, 3 5s are 15. plus 4, 19. 19 is more than 9. So you have to write in the subscript form like this. 3 4s are 12 plus 2, 14. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. 3 1 are 3 plus 0, 3. So simple. अब ऐड कर दीजिए 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 ऐसा आया. 4 7 3. And this 6, 5 and 1 are added together. So it will become 460 473. Let me see how many of you have done. 460. No, no, no. Mistake, mistake, mistake. Mistake क्या बेटा? हाँ, yes, Mishika is correct. 460 473. Right, Mishika. Right. Clear. So that's okay. I hope the things are clear. You will require a little bit practice here. So if you solve at least 100 problems like this, you will be master in multiplication of 11, 12, 13 up to 19 by using Yog method. And within 10 seconds, you will be able to solve. And the important requirement here is that you should know the tables up to 9 very fast. Very fast matlab, if I say 9 5s are, you should be able to answer immediately 45.
I know the
45.
table from to 19.
And addition is also required. Addition should be fast. That practice should be there. That's why I always tell you that you should know the tables and addition subtraction fast. Then you will be able to understand the importance of these formula. Okay. So how many formulas we have learned till today? The first formula is Nikilam Sutra. Second formula is Ekadhikain Purvain. Third formula is Yog method. Ekadhikain Purvain is used when the left hand side digits are equal and sum of right hand side digit is 10. Yog method is used whenever you have to multiply any number starting from 11 to 19. Now, one number can be anything. Second number should be always either 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 up to 19. And third formula, that is Nikhilam Sutra, which is always used to multiply by 999 series. Okay, other number can be anything. Fine. I hope the things are clear. Remaining things we will see in the next lecture. Thank you so much. If any doubt is there, you can ask. Otherwise,